Big news today from Huawei. They've officially announced the Mate 70 series, and it looks like it's going to be another flagship worth checking out. We've got some fresh details on the design, camera system, and the new features Huawei is packing into these devices. So let's dive into it. Huawei has just dropped the first look at the Huawei Mate 70 series, and let me tell you, the design is iconic. They posted this update on Weibo, and along with it, shared a picture of the rear design, which features an eye-catching circular camera bump. It's not just any bump, though. There's a huge ring that surrounds the whole thing with a diamond-cut texture on the sides, giving it a premium, futuristic look. But what about the cameras? Well, the rear camera setup on the Mate 70 series is no slouch. It includes 4 camera openings. 3 of them are likely to be the main camera, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto camera. The 4th opening is probably a depth sensor, which should improve portrait shots and bokeh effects. So if you love taking photos with blurred backgrounds, this will definitely be a big upgrade. Now turning the phone around to the side, we can see the camera bump is noticeably thicker compared to the Mate 60. This could mean Huawei is packing even more powerful camera tech into this series. And speaking of the side, there are 2 buttons, a volume rocker and a power/lock/wait button, just like previous models. As for the overall shape of the device, it carries over the rounded edges and curves on the back panel that we've seen on earlier Huawei devices. There was some speculation that this model could ditch the curves and go with flat sides, but based on this teaser image, it seems like the rounded look is here to stay. Of course, we'll need to wait for more official renders to confirm what the final design will look like. Moving on to the details about the models, Huawei plans to launch 4 different versions of the Mate 70 series: the standard Mate 70, the Mate 70 Pro, the Mate 70 Pro Plus, and the Ultimate design. These models will vary in specs, but the last 2, the Pro Plus and the Ultimate design, likely featuring the most advanced features and premium designs. The Ultimate design in particular is expected to have exclusive back textures and finishes, making it a more luxurious, high-priced option. Speaking of the back, the image reveals a new texture that looks absolutely intriguing. It's not entirely clear from the teaser, but Huawei promises to offer different back panel designs, including some that will be more plain and minimalist, so there will be options for all tastes. But it's not just the design that's getting a major upgrade. The Huawei Mate 70 series will be running on a new generation of HarmonyOS, Huawei's own operating system. This new version will feature redesigned animations and improved functionalities, contributing to a smoother and more intuitive user experience. The Mate 70 series will also be powered by the latest Kirin chipset, which will include AI enhancements and large language models, making the device more capable when it comes to AI-driven features and performance. So, the Huawei Mate 70 series is shaping up to be a serious contender in the flagship market. With its new iconic design, powerful camera system, and the latest HarmonyOS with AI-powered capabilities, this is definitely a device to keep an eye on. Huawei is all set to reveal more details at the official launch event, which is happening on November 26 at 2:30 p.m. China time. Make sure to mark your calendars if you want to catch the full reveal. But what do you think about the Huawei Mate 70 series? Are you excited about the new design and features? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.